Hi guys, this is Kohji. Today I'm going to talk about SAI, air traditional weapon. There are three sections. The first one is how to choose SAI. The second one is the names of SAI parts. The third one, how to grip SAI. Okay, so are you ready? So now let's get started. お願いします。So, when you choose SAI, don't choose a very short one, because this one is too short for me, because you see, because I can't block my elbow, you know. So, if I block it, I can't block, so my elbow would get hurt like this, okay? So the size should be like here, so elbow length, or a little bit longer than your elbow, you know. If so, you can block like this, and you can slice like this, right? So when you choose side, please think about the length, okay? Like this, your elbow length. Got it? So now let me talk about the names of parts. Okay, so here it's called saki, you know. So saki means tip in Japanese here. So by saki, so you can stab, you know, and hitting, right? And next one, here it's called monouchi. Monouchi. Mono. So mono means thing, uchi means hitting. So by monouchi, so you can block and hitting, you know, Japanese. And next one is here. Here. It's called moto. Moto. Here. Moto. So moto means a base in Japanese. Here. Moto, right? So when you grip side, your thumb should be here, like this. Okay? So next one. Here. It's called yoku. So yoku means a wing in Japanese here. So by yoku, you can fuck opponents or just block it like this, right? And the next one is here. It's called tsume. Here. Tsume. So tsume means a nail in Japanese here. Tsume. And here it's called tsuka. So tsuka means like a handle in Japanese. So of course you can go up here like this. And last one, here it's called tsukagashira. Tsukagashira. So as I told you, tsuka means handle and gashira means head. So here, so by tsukagashira you can punch the opponent like this, right? So now these ones are the parts of SAI, you know. So saki, monouchi, tsume, yoku, moto, tsuka, and tsukagashira. You get it? So now let me talk about how to grip SAI. There are three ways to grip. Okay, the first one is juntemochi. Juntemochi. Like it meant like a normal grape in Japanese. Okay, yeah, like this. Juntemochi. So your thumb should be here, moto, like this. So by juntemochi, you can stab, you can block, and you can hit, right? Okay, so now next one is like gyakutemochi. Gyakutemochi, you know. So gyaku means reverse in Japanese. So te means hand in Japanese. So like this. So your thumb is here and your point finger should be here, like this. This one is gyakutemochi. You know. So by gyakutemochi, so you can punch and you can block. So like this. So be careful. You put your side and along your horn, because if you block like this, you can't block. So your forearm will be hurt. So it should be like this. So now you can block. Okay. Okay. So when you change your grip from the juntemochi to gyakutemochi, so please do it like this. So from juntemochi, put your thumb here and like this. One more time. Okay. Put your thumb here and like this. So from gyakutemochi, so like this, and juntemochi, like this. Okay. My right hand. Okay. Put your thumb here and turn it. Now it's gyakutemochi, and from gyakutemochi and juntemochi. You alright? And the last one is tokushumochi. Tokushumochi, or it's also called gyakusai. So grab here like this. This is tokushumochi. Tokushu means a special, so it means a special grip, right? Yes. So by tokushumochi, so you can fuck and like this, and so of course you can block, fuck. You can fuck their yoku like this, you know, by tokushumochi like this. So now you know the juntemochi, juntemochi, gyakutemochi, and tokushumochi. 3 ways to grip. Now you know, right? Let's try. Thank you so much for watching today. So you learned how to choose SAI and the names of SAI parts and how to grip, right? And I'm sorry for my bad English, so I hope you understand what I said. So if you like the video, please subscribe and please like it. It really helps. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, please leave a comment here. So thanks again. See you next time. ありがとうございました。